Okay, so now we're going to focus on the basic jab to the body and all of its intricacies. I've gone over the jab to the body before, but it was kind of with another technique, whether it be, I'm kind of just showing you how you slip at punching at the same time. We're going to get into all the body mechanics of the jab to the body, and we're going to learn how to throw it safe, because I see so many mistakes. This is a technique where I've actually used this, and I've stopped fights with just a jab to the body. Now, with the bare knuckle, whole nother ball game. In boxing, you just mainly see this as a setup to other techniques, and it's kind of an annoying way to hit your opponent and they're not hitting you back. However, without gloves, using the bare knuckle, and I'm basically hitting on the side of the liver, this can be very effective. So I'm going to face the camera showing you the technique. This is what I see that terrifies me that people do. They jab to the body like this. I might as well not even throw a jab to the body. My entire left side of my face is open for a right hand. Jabbing to the body. Jabbing to the body. Why am I even doing this? It's not worth doing if I'm going to compromise my stance, my position, my head. And it's not going to deliver enough impact for me to even hurt my opponent, so you might as well not even throw it. You might as well just stick with a jab to the head where I'm more protected. See? However, there's ways that we can throw this jab where it's safe. The way is, I'm changing levels. I'm doing this all at the same time. I'm changing levels, and I'm sort of dipping to the outside. Now, one of the things I like to do is bring my head slightly this way. I'm kind of combining this with a capoeira technique, which is called the esquiva. A esquiva would be, I'm turning my head sideways. If it's up, I can be hit, but I'm turning it sideways curved so it can go with the motions of kicks or punches. So when I'm here, and I'm throwing this jab to the body, shoulder in front of my face, turning my head, and it's right back to my stance. I don't just stay there. It's here. I want to get in and get out. So when I'm here, jab to the body, moving my head to the outside, left shoulder protecting my face, right hand protecting the other side of my face, and my head is slightly off to the side. Then I come back. The step in, the drop, and the turning of my body all at the same time create the power. I'm stepping in, turning, dropping. I'm doing this a little exaggerated, but this is the point. I just don't want to be up here like this. I definitely don't want to do this. I see a lot of this. Terrible, terrible. Might as well not even throw it like I said. So I'm here, okay. Stepping in, dropping my body weight, turning over, shoulder protecting my face, head back. See how I'm in and out fast? I'm coming in, I'm out. Same way we would do a jab. We're in, always in, out, and I can move laterally as well. When I'm here, okay, out. Fast, snappy, powerful, and I'm not giving my opponent a chance to counter.